Hi there, it's Trisha, CEO of Girl Friday. I just want to talk to you about the core asset of marketing with its dual implementation support system, the seller. If you're currently running your business and you are a small business who currently running your business and you studying an MBA at university, the core asset of marketing with its dual implementation support system, the seller, is for you. Also, you could be a small business at university studying a degree in marketing or a digital marketing degree. The core asset, you therefore undergraduate, the core asset of marketing with dual implementation support system is for you. It provides an alternative, a very nice alternative to your academic book while you study. The core asset of marketing with its dual implementation support system, the seller, costs you only $67.97 for your ebook version or your paperback version. Your hardcover version is $77.97. That's because it's a hardcover. Yeah? The seller, the online resources business monitoring support system attached to the book give you in-depth critical skill and knowledge about what is marketing. The membership, the online membership, costs you £2,330 quarterly, payable monthly if you wish through subscription, or you can pay in one go for 3 months. Because if you want 6 months use of the seller, the price is double, is 6,000. I'm good in math, so 0, 0, 6 and 6 and 2, 2 and 2, 4. It's not 6,000, sorry. Divided by time 2 is 2. There's a 4, 6 and 6. So it's £4,660 for 6 months. Yeah, math is easy. Because we count from 0 to 9, we do, so, and after we carry for 10. So when you got number, you just have to look 2330, for example, and somebody said time 2. Well, you have a 0 again, you have 3 twice, that's 6, 3 twice, that's 6, and a 2 twice, that's 4. Then after we just have to read it. 4,660. Anyway, that's the seller for 6 months. The core asset of marketing with its dual implementation support system, the seller, teaches you through storytelling how to acquire lead and sell, how to make you relatable to your audience and acquire, sell, and repeated customer to your business, as well as new customer to your business, because they have referred you through word of mouth or read your review on your website or on Trustpilot or on social media. Because if you talk to people, I call it talk to people. If you talk to people on social media, answer their post, answer intelligent comment or reply to a post, provide sympathy and empathy toward people, well, definitely your connection will increase, your follower will increase, and they're bound to ask you what you're doing and look at your business if you're online, or visit your brick and mortar if you have a brick and mortar. Well, you learn all this in the core asset of marketing with this dual implementation support system, the seller, and you have a little bit more too. Gem is inside. I call it gem actually. Yeah. Can't be anything that gem inside. That's what you have. Because C equal NC square. Customer acquisition theory, yeah, of relativity equivalent. Because, to be honest and truthful, it may seem a lot, when you're a large business, you have a lot of customers, but that's not true, you don't. It's only 80% of what you do, only 20% of people access it. That's it. Only 20% of people access it. And the people who access your business are the people who relate to your product or services. They do. So they will access your business and buy from you. And they will also repeat their purchase because they like your business and what you provide. They will refer you to through word of mouth, or put review on your website or on your social media or on Trustpilot. Talk to their friend about you. And next minute you increase your customer base. But for all this to happen, you need to relate to your audience. And you learn all that in a core asset of marketing with this dual implementation support system, the seller, as I said, through storytelling, very entertaining, and a lot more. You learn how to acquire lead, nurture them, qualify them into sell and repeated customer for years to come. And the seller, the attached seller to the book, teach you the online resources business support system, give you in-depth critical skill and knowledge about what is marketing and a lot more again. You have very nice stories there towards the end of the seller. Oh my lord. That you wouldn't help yourself telling everybody about it because I love it so much myself. So sometimes I view the seller myself. Yeah? If you are interested, click on the link below to purchase the core asset of marketing with its dual implementation support system, the seller. Only £67.97 for your ebook and your paperback. The paperback, you can get it on amazon.co.uk, amazon.com, amazon.ca, and Amazon GE. Bye for now. Thanks for listening.